Take a moment to check out the 2008 Honda Accord. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's the Honda Accord, the iconic midsize sedan that sets the standard for others to follow. Its bold, powerful performance, comfortable ride, elegance of design, and state-of-the-art technology make it the clear choice. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, electronic stability control. In life, there are many roads to take. Choose excellence. Drive the Honda Accord.